Welcome to the Asian Idols channel. I'm Cherry. Today, our video features the following exciting content. What do you think about this topic?
Zhang Han's shares are frozen as the case develops, sounding a warning for celebrity entrepreneurs. Zhang Han's failed entrepreneurial ventures have undoubtedly become one of the most representative cases among celebrities who have crossed into business investment in recent years. At the height of his popularity, he chose to extend his personal influence into multiple commercial sectors, hoping to expand his career territory and generate additional income through side businesses. However, the gap between ideal expectations and reality soon became apparent. His attempts in the catering industry not only failed to bring positive returns but instead led to a continuous decline in his public reputation due to management issues, quality concerns, and mounting public criticism. Before the related controversies had fully subsided, news broke in August 2025 that shares under Zhang Han's name had been frozen, once again drawing widespread attention. According to publicly available information, 1.65 million shares he held in a film production company were frozen by law for a period of 3 years. This incident prompted the public to reassess the risks behind his business. In fact, the share freezing case was far from a single, isolated event. Behind it lay multiple disputes spanning several industries, including film and television, catering, and construction. The origin of the case can be traced back to a cooperation dispute 3 years earlier. At that time, Zhang Han's studio and its partner encountered serious disagreements during contract performance, and the two sides failed to reach consensus on responsibility attribution and follow-up solutions. In response to the dispute, Zhang Han's studio maintained that it had fulfilled its obligations strictly in accordance with the contract, yet it did not effectively promote problem resolution. As a result, tensions continued to escalate. After repeated negotiations failed, the partner ultimately chose to safeguard its rights through legal channels and filed a lawsuit against Zhang Han's studio. Once the case entered judicial proceedings, the court, directly leading to the freezing of the relevant shares. As of now, more than 4 months have passed since the case was filed, and it is scheduled to be heard in court on the 13th of this month. For Zhang Han, this moment clearly represents a critical juncture in his career. A series of negative news reports has not only drained public goodwill but also significantly damaged the positive image he had accumulated over the years. Shifting public opinion once again proves that in the face of the market and the law, celebrity status offers no protective buffer, and traffic alone cannot replace professional judgment or risk control. Going forward, the court's verdict will be the key factor determining the outcome. If Zhang Han ultimately prevails, his frozen shares may be unfrozen, and he may pursue legal accountability from the opposing party. However, if he loses the case, he may not only be required to bear substantial financial compensation but could also face further risks to his personal assets and future business plans. Looking back at the entire situation, it is hard not to feel a sense of regret. Once known for leaving behind a number of memorable roles on screen, Zhang Han now finds himself trapped in difficulties due to personal business decisions and ongoing legal disputes. For the industry as a whole, this serves as a sobering reminder: while celebrities may cross into business, courage alone is never enough. What matters more are respect for rules, awareness of risk, and a clear understanding of one's professional boundaries. Perhaps what truly allows an actor to go the distance has never been capital gains, but a genuine return to the craft itself. What is your view on Zhang Han's current situation? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
If this is your first time watching our channel, please hit the subscribe button to support us. Thank you.